Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today I have a luxury haul for you. I have a few pieces to unbox. I did end up picking up something from the latest Murakami cherry drop from Louis Vuitton, and I do also have two really amazing Hermes finds, so if you're curious, keep watching. Okay, I think I'm gonna start with probably the more exciting unboxing from Louis Vuitton. First, let's talk about the packaging. I can't believe I received the cherry packaging. I'm obsessed. This is the cutest. Can they make this permanent, please? The cherries are a bit raised and glossy, just like the bags. If you haven't seen my Louis Vuitton cherry Murakami shopping vlog, I'll link it above. I did show you up close some of the popular pieces, so in monogram, so do check out that video. Also, look at the packaging inside. It has the Louis Vuitton little flowers up here in silver, and not just that, but check this out. I did receive the cherry box as well, and that's not all. I also got the stickers, and I know many people did not receive the full packaging. There were so many issues with the initial drops where people pre-ordered and they just received the plain Louis Vuitton packaging. The whole Murakami drop was a bit of a mess, let's be honest. Many people were disappointed that they didn't get the packaging that was supposed to come with the multicolor pieces, the cherry pieces. I don't think there was any specific packaging for the cherry blossom. I think that was the only collection that didn't really have any like special packaging with like cherry blossoms on it. But the multicolor one, when I did order this little guy, the card holder, I also didn't receive the multicolor paper. I only received the panda with the ribbon, that was it. But now I received everything, the stickers. I still can't believe I have the cherry packaging. I'll keep this forever. Okay, let me show you what I ended up picking from the cherry collection. It's not what some of you might think, because I did mention a bag in a couple of videos that was on my wish list, but as you can probably tell from the packaging, it is a drawer type box. I picked up a pair of shoes. So this is my receipt, and the shoes are in here. Alright, do you guys have any guesses? This was my favorite piece from the entire collection. The raffia cherry heels with the little monogram scarf with the cherries. Let me take the other one out. So cute, right? And look at these faces. The happy cherry faces are the most adorable thing. And no, I don't find these creepy at all, unlike the cherry blossoms. I don't know, there was something about the cherry blossoms, I found them so creepy, like staring at me, smiling. But these I find adorable. I kind of wish that one of the cherries had the shocked face. As you can see here, we have one happy face, a smiley face, and one shocked face. So I kind of wish the heels had the same expressions, but I like the smiley ones with the blue eyes. So as you can see, these are in raffia, and they just feel so bold and breezy. Such a spirited statement style from the re-edition of the Louis Vuitton and Takashi Murakami collection. We have the beautiful knotted scarves in the classic monogram with the cherry motif. It just adds such a vibrant accent. And also I loved the sculptural heel. It's so playful and perfect for summer. And the heel height is 5.5 centimeters or 2.2 inches, and they're extremely comfortable. Also, I would say these have a wider fit. I don't have very slim, like narrow feet, but they're not wide either. I think my feet are just normal, and these feel so comfortable when I slide my feet inside. Also, they're lined inside with leather, and they're slightly almost like cushioned, as well as the sole, and they're just super comfortable. They almost feel like slippers. And the heel, again, I wasn't sure if it will be comfortable to walk in because of the shape, because of the cherries, but it feels like a normal heel, and it's like a kitten heel almost. So yeah, I do find them really comfortable and stable to walk in as well. The only thing that actually my friend pointed out was, oh, are you not worried about the heel wearing out? How are you gonna change the bottom of the heel when it wears out? Because obviously this is not a normal heel, right? It's like a cherry, so I guess I would have to take them to Louis Vuitton so they can change the little cap on the heel once it wears off, because I can't just take these to a standard cobbler. They wouldn't really have the same one to put on, right? So that was actually a really good point that my friend made. But apart from that, I mean, aren't these adorable? These are the most amazing summer shoes. I'm so excited to wear them. And also, one of the main reasons I actually wanted to get them was this, my mini capucines in wicker. I think this is the perfect match. I think they look so good together. I was actually very close to ordering a pair of Orans or Oasis from Hermes to match to my bag, but then these came out and I was like, no, this is better. So also I wanted to show you, my friend gave me this cute cherry charm that I put on the side of my bag, and yeah, again, the perfect match. I think I've been a little bit obsessed with cherries lately, but yeah, let me know your thoughts about this cherry drop. Let me know which one was your favorite Takashi Murakami drop. I did really like the multicolor, but the only piece I picked up was this. I kind of wish now maybe I got a bag as well, either the Nano Speedy or the bucket bag, but you guys know what put me off was the long pre-order time. Actually, not even a pre-order, because I didn't pre-order any of the pieces, but later on they did a restock online and I could have purchased a bag or literally anything from the collection because they restocked pretty much everything, but the waiting time was insane. For some of the pieces, especially the bags, it was up to 11 weeks and you had to place the order, pay in advance. So they take your money and you wait, what, 11 weeks to receive your order. And let me tell you, it will be more than 11 weeks because for this card holder, the estimated time was 4 weeks. Well, I waited more than 2 months. When it comes to the cherry collection, I initially wanted to get the Speedy with the cherries, but what put me off was actually the raised cherries because they do look like stickers. And if you compare the new pieces to the vintage ones, the originals are painted on, whereas the new ones, I don't know, they have these glossy stickers. I'll insert clip of when I filmed some of the bags, and I don't know if I loved that enough to purchase a bag. I'm really annoyed, almost angry at Louis Vuitton, because I really love the original look of the cherries that are painted on, and I was really looking forward to this cherry drop. It was my favorite drop, and especially the Speedy, it was the perfect size because the Nano I find a bit too small, the Speedy 30 I find a bit too bulky, so this would have been ideal, and I really hope I don't regret not getting it. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think I should still try and get one, but then I'm really unsure about the like glossy stickers. So yeah, anyway, back to the shoes. Let me know what you guys think of the shoes. There wasn't really anything else from this cherry collection that I wanted to get apart from the Speedy and these shoes. Maybe the mug, but the mug sold out so quick. I'll insert a picture here, so maybe if that one restocks, I'll get that. Okay, next I have two very exciting finds from Hermes, and the first one comes in this small little box. This has been on my wish list for months, maybe even more than a year, and I cannot believe I found it. And I found it at the airport. So I didn't, guys, tell you because I wanted this to be a surprise, but I did find this stunning silver ring. So if you have guys watched my Heathrow shopping vlog, which I'll link above, you probably know that I was looking for the Farandole necklace. Well, they didn't have it, however they had this, and I couldn't believe my eyes because this again is an extremely difficult piece to get hold of because it is part of their fine jewelry. And you guys know when you buy fine jewelry from Hermes, it is good for your profile. That's how you get bags, right? I know it's not yellow gold, but this is still part of their fine jewelry category. So that's why these pieces are always so popular, because the price point obviously is better than yellow gold. The Sean Dunker ring is always available online, but in very small sizes, and I needed a larger size, which is always sold out. These are always sold out in the larger sizes. So yeah, I have been looking for this for months and months and months because I already own the Sean Dunker larger model of this ring, and also I do have the matching silver bracelet, and I wanted to make it a set. Now the only two other items that I'm dying to get from the same line are the earrings, which again impossible to get, and also the, of course, Farandole necklace. I really hope I'll be able to get these two pieces so I can complete the full set, and then I'll be in peace finally. So I'm extremely happy that I ticked off another piece from my wish list, and this one I can wear on this finger, on my ring finger, but it is a bit large. But ideally, because I wear the larger model, because it's a smaller size, I couldn't find it in a larger size, the larger model I wear on my ring finger, and then this one I wanted to wear here. So this ring was £495. The design is so beautiful and so understated, but if you know luxury, if you are into luxury fashion and Hermes, you would definitely recognize this signature motif from Hermes. So yeah, this is the newest addition to my Hermes silver fine jewelry collection. I can't wait to collect the rest. And last, from Hermes, as soon as I pull out this box, you would know what is inside. So it's one of their flat silk scarf boxes, right? So again, if you've watched that Heathrow shopping vlog, you know I tried on a scarf. And I didn't get it because I couldn't decide which color. I went home, I started browsing and thinking, oh, which scarf should I get? Should I go for the pink? Should I go for the blue? And then other styles popped up, and I found something that I think is even better. Okay, so it's not the one you saw in the video, so this will be, I guess, a surprise. Right, so in here we have this. Look at the print. There is a kitty, there are butterflies, the colors, just wait until you see the rest, okay? The colors are so stunning, neutral. So let me open it up. The scarf is so detailed and it is so me at the same time. All right, so we have, okay, it's really difficult to show you because it doesn't really fit on the screen. I would have to insert separate clips, but look at this, guys. This design is called Hermes Story, and we have this lady holding a selfie stick with an iPhone at the end. We have a giraffe, there is a tiger, a bunny, so many butterflies, and if you know me, I love my butterflies. I'm obsessed with butterflies. I have a butterfly tattoo. Give me anything with butterflies and I would love it. We have a beautiful sparrow, like beautiful birds, a parrot. Let's not forget the kitty as well. There is a monkey in gorgeous colors, like all the colors are also so me. All the pastels are very soft, like the sage green. We have a butter yellow that's super trending right now. It is a very colorful scarf. There is a mixture of different colors, but at the same time they're not super vibrant. They're a bit more muted, and that makes it very wearable in my opinion. Also, look at these baby blue hearts and the little bee. Did you guys see the little bee? Oh my god, and this animal here. Every time I look at this scarf, I keep discovering new things and spotting new details. And yes, I know silk scarves were on my no-buy list. I don't really wear silk scarves, and I told you guys when I filmed my no-buy list video, I said I'm done buying 90 by 90 silk scarves, large silk scarves. I do not really wear. Instead, last year I discovered the smaller formats that I wear all the time in a French knot. They're so much easier to style and wear. I do struggle, I'm not gonna lie, I do struggle styling these large scarves, but I just couldn't resist this print. And now, if you are an Hermes lover, you probably know that this scarf is not new. This scarf, I believe, came out last year. So this, I ended up hunting down. It wasn't available anywhere to purchase directly from the store. I was so inspired to look at scarves because of the one I tried on at Heathrow, the blue one. I don't really wear baby blue that much. You guys know I don't really gravitate towards baby blue when it comes to bags as well, and I was like, okay, if I buy that baby blue silk scarf, I don't really have a bag too much, and you guys know I like to be matchy, right? I started looking at scarves and then I remembered about this one, and I was like, let me see if I can find it. And I found it brand new. As you can see, it is brand new, hasn't been worn, has the tags, and I just had to get this one instead. I thought I would wear this one a lot more. And also, check this out. Again, I can wear it in summer, thrown on my shoulders with my new wicker bag. And also with my Chanel caramel flap. The color is very similar, so yeah, and I can wear with all my other pastel bags. So I think this was the one. Alright guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed this luxury haul. Let me know if you have any favorites from today's video. Comment down below, let's chat. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed, and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!